Hi guys, so today I will be doing a 13 by 4 straight human hair lace frontal. This is a 16 inch and it is a pre-plucked unit. I'm just showing you everything that came in the package and how it looks on the site. just looks better and it complements my face better. Let's talk about these baby hairs. Do not drag me, but I tried, okay? And I know the error of my ways now, okay? Why I messed up on them is because they're so thick. Like, they're too thick. Look at them, too thick. So what I needed to do was actually tweeze my baby hairs before I laid them. So that's a mistake that I made. And also this wig was too small for my head, but I usually wear my hair down anyways, so I wasn't too worried about that. But besides those two things, usually when the lace is too light, you just put some powder on it when you're done installing it and everything comes together. And also this mousse helped mold my hair. I would tweeze my baby hair now, but it's already molded down, so I'm gonna just put on a headband or whatever when I got to go out. But I will be trying to install another lace again because I really want to become good at it. Like, I want to, you know, become a pro at it. So I just feel like the more I keep practicing, the better I'll get. I see the vision, you feel me? It's not awful, but it could be better. So I'm just gonna keep practicing. I have another unit that I have to install. It's like a ginger color, so I might install that tomorrow, or I might do a closure next. But I'm kind of going to give like the headband wigs review videos a rest and try to get into more lace units, so that I can become really fluent in it and way better than I am now. I'm a beginner. Okay, if you can't tell, but I tried. So give me a thumbs up for my effort. You know, this is only like my second or third. It's like my third time installing, but I'm getting it down pat. Okay, I'm seeing my error in my ways. You know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna get better and better at it. I don't think it's horrible, like I said, but it could be better. And I know that it's just because of my baby hairs, and my hot comb. My hot comb stopped working. Like, my hot comb just stopped working out of nowhere. I don't know why. So, and also with your wax stick, don't be too heavy handed because sometimes the hair can become like stiff as I don't know what. But I'm not too worried about that. But yeah, you just don't want your hair to be stiff like this, like the front of my hair. So don't go too crazy with the wax stick like I did, and make sure to tweeze and pluck your baby hairs before you lay them down so they won't be so thick like mine. You feel me? I couldn't even like swoop them like how I wanted to, but the more I practice, the better I get at it. And let me stop messing with my hair before I just mess it all up. But yes, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for another install, a better install. Please give this video a like and definitely subscribe because I'll be coming back with some more videos. All right, you guys. Peace.